What's up, y'all? How's it going? Today we're gonna be making actually a trip to Orange County again, but not for headlights, not for really anything that I was expecting this early. But I'm gonna actually be getting wheels. These are some of the parts that I've been collecting as of now. I'm gonna make a video on these. I haven't posted anything about these on my car page or anything, but I'll be making a video on these coils. I haven't put them on yet. They'll probably go on this weekend. Today is Tuesday. They'll probably go on Sunday. And then these are just little bits and pieces for the new wheel setup that I'll be picking up today. I got studs just because the ones that I have right now, one of them is broken. There's they're ARP. They're regular studs, they're not the extended ones. I got those from Subi Speed, I believe. And then this is probably give you guys a little clue of what wheels we'll be picking up today. They're not TEs, so not there yet, but soon. So that gives a little clue, but we'll be heading out. I'm going to school first, and then I'll pick up the camera from there and just kind of give you guys an update. What's up, guys? How's it going? I just woke up literally like 30 minutes ago, but finally have some coils. I'm gonna drop them off right now. So unfortunately I won't get a video of install today, but we will get the finished look after. I don't think I'll be going too low, especially on stock wheels, but I do have wheels already that I will make a video on. And then I'm planning on ordering tires, because look what happened yesterday on the freeway. So thank God that I didn't. It wasn't anything worse. So yeah, the tires are gone, but this is literally how I bought the car with my tires. So I'm on a spare, so it looks really dumb, but I mean, better safe, And then let's see what else I have. And then what I'm also throwing on the car, since when I took the shop here in Oxnard, I guess one of the studs was really messed up, and I ended up breaking the stud and the lug nut. So I'll have new ARP. These are not extended studs, these are regular studs from Subi mods. That's these right here. And then if you guys are wondering what coils I have on, or what coils I'm getting installed, I'll show you guys really quick. Yeah, but so we're throwing on the ARP stud, the studs today, not extended. And then we have, I'll show you guys. I can't really see them, but they're I think they're V2s, so they're SL spec V2s for WRX. And basically the difference between the V1s and the V2s is you do get camber with these V2s, only in the fronts, obviously. I ended up getting a deal. I think they're like $850 compared to $1,000. So I ended up getting a deal on these, which is still pretty pricey, but yeah. So like I said, we won't be getting camber as of today, just because my tires are pretty bald, and then I'm also on stock wheels. But hopefully we can get the new setup running by probably this weekend after Thanksgiving, and then I'll make another video on that and show you guys all the specs and everything. See if you guys want to do something similar, you guys can. But yeah, I'm gonna go drop it off, and then I'll show you guys the after. So guys, I don't know where we left off on the last video, but so my tire ended up popping on the freeway. I'm on a spare right now, and we're driving over to EZ Motorsports in Bell, California, basically in LA County. I like an hour and a half away from me right now. It's 7 a.m. right now, I think. But I have all 4 wheels. So I ended up getting a Gram Lights 57 DRs, and I'll tell you guys the specs in a little bit. But here's my wheel, how it ended up. The threads are showing all around, so I hope I make it to LA. We'll see how it is. But yeah, here's how the car's sitting right now. I am on Coilover, so guys, that's why it looks so low right now. I just got them installed probably 4 days ago. They're Faction 5 coilovers for WRX STI. Yeah, but I'll pick up the camera again once we get there, and then I'll kind of show you guys the process if they let me. So we'll see. So guys, we're on our way there right now, but estimated time is an hour. We have like an hour and a half there, so we're gonna get there like at 8:38. They open at 8, so it'll be perfect timing. Guys, we're finally 3 minutes away. It's like an hour 40-minute drive, and I'm over here freaking pooping myself too, so that doesn't help. But yeah, I didn't realize how far it was. I would have tried to choose somewhere closer, but I trusted my wheels over here, and they had the best price for my tires, so it was worth it, I guess. Yeah, once I get there, I'll record again, and I'll see if hopefully they let me record. We'll see though, but if not, I'll show you the setup after. I'll go ahead and stop somewhere after. What's up, guys? It's been a cool minute, I mean, since you guys seen the last clip, but I think that was like January if not December, just because I got so busy with end of semester and some stuff I was doing for church. But I cleaned up the wheels really quick just to show you guys how it came out. But yeah, here it is. The car is super dirty because it's been raining non-stop here, but yeah. And if you guys have any questions as far as I guess my tire size or my wheel size, or what I'm running all around, you guys can go ahead and leave the comments below, and then I'll go ahead and give you guys all that info. But yeah, I decided to go with Falcon's RT 615s. They're 265 35 18s all around. I do have to run a square setup just because they are all-wheel drive. Yeah, other than that, I'm running obviously Ray's 57 DRs, and it's almost like I don't know if it's gunmetal. I think it's HK gunmetal or something like that. I got them for like a steal price. I had to drive almost 2 hours away to pick them up. And then I have my Ray's lug nuts, and I bought these from Subi Speed, and then the regular wheel studs I also bought them from Subi Speed. Here it is. I'll show you guys these that are highlighted a little bit. Yeah, they're super easy to maintain. I mean, the color, here's how the car looks right now too. The color is super on the wheels. The color on the wheels is super easy to maintain. I mean, the hardest part is just I guess just trying to keep them clean, really, because I mean everyone wants to have clean wheels. But yeah, here it is. I will be making a video really soon. I'm trying to stay more on it, but yeah, we're actually going to be, because when I was coming back from actually getting these on at EZ Motorsports out in Bell, I was having crazy rub issues. I actually ended up pulling some of my fender out from the inside, and then I ended up burning some of my tire off. But yeah, I will be actually going back a little lower. I'm gonna be rolling my fenders with bumper to bumper and Camarillo, and then I'm gonna be actually getting all the mud flaps off all around. I do love the lug, but I know that anywhere I try to go into, that's the only thing I scrape on. I scrape on the very bottom of the mud flap, so I get stuck everywhere. But yeah, the car, I mean, it came out really nice. I really like how it came out. And again, if you guys have any questions, you guys can go ahead and comment below, and then I'll answer them for you. Or you guys, yeah, on my Instagram or anything, really. Here it is.